What exactly are superfoods? They are foods primarily plant-based that are exceptionally nutrient-dense. Superfoods don't just nourish your body, they actively fight disease and promote longevity. Studies have shown that regular consumption of superfoods can lead to a reduced risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. Let's dive in with us as we uncover the superfoods that can transform your life. Let's talk about berries, those little gems bursting with flavor and goodness. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, each one is a nutritional powerhouse in its own right. They're packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant colors and protect our cells from damage. Blueberries, my personal favorite, are like tiny brain boosters. Studies have shown that they can improve memory and cognitive function. Strawberries, on the other hand, are fantastic for heart health, thanks to their high levels of vitamin C and potassium. Raspberries are a good source of fiber, which aids digestion and helps us feel fuller for longer. And blackberries? Well, they're packed with vitamin K, essential for blood clotting and bone health. So how do you enjoy these little wonders? Eat them fresh, frozen, or add them to smoothies, yogurt, or porridge. Leafy greens are the unsung heroes of the superfood world. Spinach, kale, collard greens, Swiss chard, they're all nutritional powerhouses packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Think of them as nature's multivitamin, providing a wide range of nutrients that our bodies crave. Spinach, for example, is an excellent source of iron, crucial for red blood cell production and energy levels. Kale is a vitamin K superstar, essential for bone health and blood clotting. Collard greens are packed with vitamin A, important for vision and immune function. Swiss chard is a good source of magnesium, which plays a role in over 300 bodily functions, from muscle function to blood sugar control. The best part? Leafy greens are incredibly versatile. Sauté them, steam them, add them to soups, stews, or smoothies. The possibilities are endless. So make it a habit to include a variety of leafy greens in your diet and reap the incredible health benefits they offer. Let's talk about ancient grains, those nutritional powerhouses that have been nourishing civilizations for centuries. Quinoa, amaranth, farro, freekeh. These grains have stood the test of time, and for good reason. They're packed with protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a fantastic addition to any diet. Quinoa, often hailed as a complete protein, is a great source of iron and magnesium. Amaranth, naturally gluten-free, is packed with lysine, an amino acid that's essential for growth and tissue repair. Farro, with its nutty flavor and chewy texture, is a good source of fiber and protein, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Freekeh, a Middle Eastern grain, is another nutritional all-star, boasting high levels of fiber, protein, and antioxidants. These ancient grains are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. Use them as a base for salads, soups, or stews, or as a healthy alternative to rice or couscous. Incorporate these ancient grains into your diet and rediscover the deliciousness and nutritional power they offer. Don't underestimate the power of nuts and seeds. These little nutritional powerhouses are packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. From almonds and walnuts to chia seeds and flax seeds, each one brings its unique set of benefits to the table. Almonds, for example, are a fantastic source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects our cells from damage. Walnuts, with their brain-boosting omega-3 fatty acids, are great for cognitive function and heart health. Chia seeds, those tiny nutritional powerhouses, are packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3, making them a great source of sustained energy. Flax seeds, another excellent source of omega-3s, are also rich in lignans, plant compounds that have antioxidant properties. Nuts and seeds are incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. Enjoy them as a snack, sprinkle them on salads, yogurt, or porridge, or add them to smoothies for an extra nutritional boost. One of the best things about superfoods is their incredible versatility. They're not just for health nuts or salad enthusiasts. They can be enjoyed by everyone, regardless of their dietary preferences or cooking skills. From simple snacks to elaborate meals, superfoods can be incorporated into your diet in countless delicious and creative ways. Start your day with a superfood-packed smoothie. blending together your favorite fruits, leafy greens, and a scoop of protein powder. For a quick and nutritious lunch, toss together a salad with mixed greens, grilled chicken or tofu, a variety of colorful vegetables, and a sprinkle of nuts and seeds. In the mood for something warm and comforting? Whip up a hearty soup or stew, packed with lentils, beans, vegetables, and your favorite spices. And for a sweet treat that won't sabotage your health goals, try baking with superfoods like oats, berries, nuts, and dark chocolate. The possibilities are truly endless. Incorporating superfoods into our diets doesn't have to be complicated or overwhelming. Start by making small, sustainable changes that you can stick with for the long haul. Focus on adding 1 or 2 new superfoods to your grocery list each week and experiment with different ways to enjoy them. Swap out processed snacks for a handful of nuts or seeds. Add a cup of spinach to your morning smoothie, or swap white rice for quinoa or brown rice. Make it a family affair and get everyone involved in trying new recipes and exploring the world of superfoods together. Remember, every small step counts, and consistency is key. By making conscious choices about the foods we eat, we can nourish our bodies from the inside out and unlock a world of flavor and vitality. So, embrace the power of superfoods and embark on a delicious and rewarding journey towards a healthier, happier you.